Hello everyone, this is W Websites, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the squished table in WooCommerce and move from this to this. Okay, this is generally the CSS issue, which I will tell you how to fix in this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave some donations with donation link in the description area in this video. Also, I want to remind that you can send me personal request with comments or by email in description area under this video. Okay, so generally we have this issue with WooCommerce, which is pretty often. And it's CSS issue when some other styles overwriting the default WooCommerce styles. Okay, so basically we go to our inspect code, see this code to sets, and now we can see, you see I just hover and it's highlight the area I need. Call 1, and if we scroll to CSS, we can see that max width is 8% only from Bootstrap CSS. If we disable it, it goes right. Okay, so we need to write here max width 100%. Now let's scroll to bottom. It's same issue. We should inspect it, and it's definitely code 2. And we see same issue, max width 16%, and here max width 100%. Okay, now we see the issue with squished text areas. So basically we need to write here with 100%. So let's just do it. Let's find the right CSS area input, and I think it's here with 100%. Nice. So you can see it looks very beautiful and as it should be. I already copied the CSS style here, so let's just test it. Like this. I refresh the page to make sure I remove all my CSS which I wrote just now, and we put plus here to write new CSS and write my styles and max width 100%. Okay, it works for everything. Now we should copy this one. And this one I'm doing just for testing, so you shouldn't do it, but this is how you can test your CSS, and with 100% looks really beautiful. Okay, so now I'll show you how to put it in your website. By the way, don't forget about donations. Of course, everyone loves donation. So to put this CSS in your website, you can, I will show you on my own website because I don't have access to this website. And it's very common for all WordPress websites. So basically you can go to appearance, and here should be customize. You go to customize and copy the CSS style from my video description and put it in the customize area custom CSS. So let it loading. Scroll to bottom, and here should be additional CSS. Depending on theme, you may see different areas here, but additional CSS should be there. So click here and put additional CSS right here and click publish. That's all. That's all you needed to do. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, and if you have some future requests, don't forget to write me comments about it or by email wpholdercom@gmail.com, and I'll create the free video tutorial for you, which may be helpful for other people too. So have a nice day. Bye bye.